Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a MAC address check using your IMEI number and your MAC address of your HONOR X6b. So all you have to do is to just find your IMEI number by dialing this number on your phone, and when you have it, just enter the imei.info website and type in your number right here. Press check IMEI and you will see some basic info about your phone, and down here you will find the MAC address check and the MAC address generator. These two will do the same thing. And now just enter your MAC address, which is the physical address of your internet card in your phone, and you can find it in the about phone section. And we're done. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.